Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, I'm glad you're here, and if you're a returning subscriber, you're the real G. So, from the title of today's video, I want to make yogurt myself, and I do all these kind of things. I love to cook any food recipe that I really like and I have the power to do. I try it, so I decided to make yogurt because I use yogurt for a lot of things, or I would want to use yogurt for a lot of things. So I want to do mine for the very first time, take you through every single step of making it. So yeah, I just want to explain the things I have in front of me. This pot, I just put this white cloth here. I'm using my freezer area because that's where my lightning beams more on. But I put this because this is stainless steel. I don't want it to scratch my freezer, the top of my freezer. So I just put this white cloth to protect it. But anyway, this is where I'll be pouring my milk into. And this is our culture. So if you know where to get this, you guys, this thing is 3,500 naira. I couldn't believe it. I thought it was joking. You know how, especially if you're not from Nigeria, you know how you see all these small sachet things and you think it's just 100 naira. I was shocked. I thought the guy was joking with me until I had to go and ask his madam, and she was like, "Yeah, it's 3,500." I'm like, "What? Wow!" And then I got this particular milk. This is Dano instant filled milk. You can use any milk of your choice, full cream milk, or this one, anyone you choose to use. But I decided to get this. This is 3,500, 3,500. That is 7,000 naira, and this is 3,500. I have my measuring cup here. Don't mind that it's broken. I have this bucket. I have this bucket I bought, 7.5 liters. It's all washed, very clean. I just washed it. 7.5 liter. And why I have this one and this pot here is because I want to first of all mix what I want to mix here first, but this is the final place I'm going to transfer it into. But I'll take you along. Let's get started. Let's see how many cups of milk this 320 gram will give us. Let's see. Guys, I want to be accurate. Okay, so this is 1 cup. It's 2 cups, 3 cups, approximately 3 cups of milk, and just a little, not even up to a quarter. I don't think it's up to a quarter. Yeah, 3 cups of milk. Whatever amount of cup of milk you pour in here is the same amount of room temperature water. That means I'm going to pour 6 cups of room temperature water and 6 cups of hot water. I want to be precise, so I'm going to measure it. That's 1, and this is 6. And just to make up for that tiny quantity we had, you can just mix it with whatever you have. If you have this at home, just mix it. Make sure it's dissolved properly. And we're going to pass it through this sieve. You can see the lumps we have. 6 cups to it. 1, 6, and that little. I'm always making up for. That's that. So we're going to wait for 10 minutes. I'm going to put that to 10 minutes. Hi guys, 10 minutes is up. So we're going to check if there's any film on it and remove the film. Test the temperature before you put in your culture is to dip your fingers in it. If you can dip it for 10 seconds and you can stay for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, this is the culture. That's how it looks. take some of the milk and pour it inside to just dissolve it like this. I'm going to pour it inside. I'm going to mix that very well, and I'll cover for 16 hours. I'm going to wrap this with a lot of cloth and keep it in a very warm place, which is my cupboard. So let me go and do that, and once the 16 hours is up, I will let you know. Hi guys, this is 16 hours later. You guys, I wrapped this thing, like I wrapped it. It has formed so thick. I can see it already. I have my whisk here that we're going to use to whisk. Ooh, you guys, I want to show you how to do this. Let me use a spoon. Pardon my lightning. I want to try to see if I can do lights. It's raining seriously over here, and let's do the test. Let's see. So I've got my camera closer, and let's see if it's actually formed. Did you guys see that? Wow, so thick. Did you see? Can you see how thick that is? You guys, can you see how thick it is? So we're going to mix. Let's start mixing. Let's mix and see. Mix very well. You guys, I need my 2 hands to mix this thing properly. I'll be right back. You guys, I can't believe it. My wig's broke. To tell you how thick it is. I'm coming. I'm coming. Go on. Let's keep mixing. I have a bigger stomach. I'm going to mix properly. It's very smooth. I'm using normal granulated sugar, and because people in my house are sweet tooth, so this is 1 cup of sugar. I need to mix that. Guys, don't mind the small lumps of saying, don't have whisk. My power. Let's mix as much as you can. So this is home consumption, so I don't mind. It's not like I'm selling it. I'm going to put this in the freezer now. This should be like, because this and this should be like a quantity of, let's say, 4 liters. Because this whole bucket is 7.5 liters. A few days later, and you guys, I've been using this thing to make a lot of things. This is just a mini ice cream, like a slush, and I really enjoyed it. So would you be trying yours? Let me know if you will try. Please like this video, leave a comment, also check my description box for other videos associated with this, and I will see you in my next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.